welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I am back for part 2, and today we're going to be doing the Slo-mo volcano from my tiny science. So this is my first time. So the tools that we need is the emery flask. It is this one. And we also need a, sorry, I'm not really new with these names, but a pipette. Pipette. Thank you. Okay, and supplies, we need a small bowl.
It's very small.
It's very small. Measuring spoons. A spoon for stirring.
We have 3 spoons.
Yes. A hydrogen peroxide, 3%. And dry yeast. There's soap. And food coloring is optional. We are going to be using red like a real volcano. So stay tuned for that. Okay. So first, in a small bowl, measure 1 teaspoon of dry yeast and 1 tablespoon of warm water. Not hot. We have warm water right here. It's in a thermos to keep it warm. Okay, so a teaspoon. Which one's a teaspoon again? No, it's not that.
Probably, yeah, this one. The smaller one. It's a teaspoon.
Okay, so, oh, no.
Don't worry.
It's okay.
If anything happens, I'll go refill it.
Okay. It is soapy, so I need help opening it.
You need me.
We will be back to clean this mess up. Well, I'm Aid, and bring scissors, because we never knew that. So we're going to be back. So yeah, I'm back. I cleaned up the mess a little bit, and I got scissors for the yeast. So now, they said dry yeast.
And this is dry yeast.
This is dry yeast. 1 teaspoon of dry yeast into where?
To the small bowl. In a small bowl. In the very beginning, see?
Really?
Yeah. In a small bowl, measure 1 teaspoon, and then
2 teaspoons of warm water.
Wait a minute. Are you sure 2 teaspoons?
Yeah,
it says tablespoons.
Oh my gosh, I'm bad at reading.
No. You just need to put on your glasses.
Yes, true.
Because you didn't put them on today.
Yeah, I did not. My hands are still slippery from the soap.
Yeah.
We'll be back again.
Okay.
And we're back. Thank you for my strong Mr. David cameraman for opening it. Okay, put 2
tablespoons.
1.
Is water still warm?
Yes, it is. Is it? 1 second. Is it? Yeah, it is.
Maybe just a droplet more water. Yeah, that's good.
So yeah. And now what does it say? And stir to mix and set aside. Oh, look, it's already something's happening.
Yeah.
Something's happening.
And nothing really.
Oh, and we have 3 different colors. That means we're going to be doing 3 times.
I'll tell you, this thing is not going to bubble much. It might just have a tiny bit of foam on top, but it'll be a very thin layer.
Yes. This is what we use to bake stuff, so for the batter to rise when it's cooking. When it's in the oven, I mean.
Actually, before it's in the oven.
Oh, yeah. It's for the dough to rise so we can, make different, like cookies. Okay.
Except cookies do not use yeast.
This thing, add about 8 pipettes of hydrogen peroxide. Okay, so how much? 8. Dang. Where should I add it?
Okay.
I am going to add over here. overflowing. Another mess. Good thing I brought an extra towel. Oh my gosh, I'm so clumsy today. Okay, so 8 of them in here. Set aside. I'm just gonna add 8 of them in there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
It actually didn't fill it in as much as I thought it would.
Okay, so pouring this whole thing back. Okay, we're done with this. And now, what else is that? 1 drop of dish soap. Have the dish soap right. Come on, rise up, hon. Got it, dish soap. 1 drop of dish
That's
soap.
just enough.
A little bit more. Come on, it's not coming.
We only need 1 drop.
I know, but I still
Yeah,
need more.
that was like 50 drops, but okay.
Seriously. Okay, 1 drop of dish soap and 1 drop of food coloring. Okay, what color should we do?
We should do red first.
Okay.
To have a real volcano first, and then we'll do the fake ones later.
It's not really coloring.
I suppose you could just make it drop. Enough.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, and now use. It is a really strong dye, so I don't really want it.
That's
to
more than
stay or
enough.
anything. So where is my little mixing spoon? Found it.
That's your spoon.
That's my spoon. Okay. Oh my God! Look at this. The air conditioning is back on. We're outside because we don't know what is going to happen. We hope nothing bad will happen. It looks like blood, doesn't it?
No, not really. It just looks like red water.
To me, it looks like blood. I don't know why.
Blood has more red in it.
Okay, swirl to mix. Okay, we already mixed it. Squirt 1 pipette full of the yeast mixture into the peroxide solution. Okay, and we're gonna watch the foam. Ready?
Are you sure it's gonna foam right now?
I don't know.
Wait a minute. So, are you sure you added all the ingredients needed?
Yeah. Of course.
So, how much yeast do you need?
I need 1 squirt of it. And now we watch. And see.
Did you add hydrogen peroxide?
Yes. Look, it's coming, it's coming. Yeah. While you're watching, I'm going to write what's happening. A chemical in the yeast breaks the hydrogen peroxide apart into oxygen and water molecules. The oxygen gas wants to escape the liquid, but the dish soap traps the tiny gas bubbles. The trapped bubbles create a thick foam that grows and grows and grows.
Okay.
I never knew that's going to be so slow.
I thought it was a little faster at least.
Well, it is a slow-mo.
Well, why don't you try to add a teeny tiny bit of more yeast? And don't add it to the very top. Just okay, fine. Yeah, that's good.
I think we should have done that in the first place, don't you?
Yeah, no, it's still slow, but now it's already better. Yeah, this is what we want. Before it was super duper slow. Okay,
so
now
we
if we
are
cover it around with sand, it would look like a real volcano.
Yeah, real true. Nice.
It's actually nice.
Yeah. So yeah, and we'll be back and we'll show you all of the other 2 colors that we made. Okay? Well, we'll see you in a bit. So yeah, we did the yellow one. And this time, I'm going to use this towel to pick up all. And now we're going to put on what we did last time, put it right in there.
Why don't you add... Oh, yeah, that's fine.
It is working, guys. I can't believe it.
This time
And
from
it
the
is
first one.
yellow. It's yellow. It's
Yeah.
my favorite color.
This is more similar to elephant toothpaste than the previous one.
Yes, a lot.
But the way the previous one is made is actually more similar to this one, to elephant toothpaste than this one. I believe if you add a tiny bit of more yeast, it'll start to foam up again.
I'm going to try to do that. Gotta mix this up again.
Right.
This yeast. I don't
Yeah,
know.
and actually it did start foaming.
Yes,
more.
it did. It is. Yes. So now we're going to clean up and do our last pink one. And for the last one, guess what? We are going to use all the yeast and see how... No, we're not. We're going to do it in a bigger form.
Yeah.
And see how it's going to react. So yeah, stay tuned.
Best for last.
Yes. And we are back here with the most coolest one we ever did. It is much longer and we doubled everything. Like when we had to do 8 drops of
Hydrogen
peroxide, we did 16. So yeah. And we doubled everything. So yeah. And I added the yeast in here, and we're going to be adding it in 3, 2, 1. It's the moment of our lives. Whoa, my God, look at this. I'm going to use the whole
I would
thing.
suggest you to mix it up a little bit.
I'm not going to mix it up.
Okay.
Look.
Oh, actually, yeah. You're doing the correct thing.
I'm putting it right in there. See, do you see over here? It's forming in there.
It looks more like a cloud, but still, very nice.
And now, like I said, I'm going to be putting a lot.
That's maybe
the best idea ever! Okay. Now I'm going to take that, put it in there. Now we're going to mix.
okay.
So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. This was really fun, so I think I'm going to be posting some more and new tiny science and more experiments. I still have a whole book ahead of me to do all of it. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. So yeah, see you next time. Bye.